So we knew this eventually would happen. Xbox is creating an Xbox handheld, which is called the Xbox Full Screen Experience. Yeah, that's the greatest name of all time. This is not surprising at all. I mean, Xbox, Microsoft in general has been saying that everything's an Xbox, right? Your cell phone's an Xbox, your computer's an Xbox, your laptop's an Xbox, your iPad's an Xbox, everything's an Xbox. So it's not too surprising that they're now just doubling down on that and creating a RIG ally that's just kind of more geared towards saying it's an Xbox. Like, that's really what this is at the end of the day. It's just like, hey, instead of, creating another RIG ally, let's just say that this is an Xbox. And it's going to run Windows software, and it's going to have everything you would have on your normal Xbox. Which, to be honest, I'll be interested to see how the software works. Software, obviously, hardware looks good so far, but it's one of those situations where, again, it's going to be it's definitely going to be a first-gen product, because this is not new. This concept of having these handheld PCs pretty much is just a common concept at this point, which, for better or for worse, is a cool concept. Shout out to Austin Evans, by the way, for posting this video. But again, like I said, looking at these devices, they are, well, that's Austin Evans. They are a little chunky looking, which, for the most part, you're going to be, if you look at a Steam Deck, you look at the brand new Switch 2, pretty much on par. It kind of reminds me in a tad bit of the PlayStation Portal, how it looks kind of like a controller that you're using with a screen in the middle. Which, again, I feel like across the board, every company copies off each other just a tad bit. Also, on these, they actually do have like a little Easter egg that says the name over and over again, like Sony would do. So that's another fun fact here. It is a 7-inch IPS display, 1920 by 1080, 120 hertz, across the board. Which, again, like I said, it's there, okay? It's there. It looks good. Everything's an Xbox. It's your typical handheld gaming device. It's just it has an awful name. The Xbox Full Screen Experience. It is what it is. Eventually, we knew this was going to happen, so it's not new. But the concept's not new. The actual device is. Tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.